5 free sources of backlinks. Backlinks are probably one of the most critical components of SEO. In fact, if you did absolutely no on-site SEO and just built backlinks to your site, you could outrank sites that have perfect on-page optimization. In this article, we're going to look at 5 free sources of backlinks. Article marketing. Article marketing is probably one of the most widely used backlink methods for a couple of reasons. Number 1, it's easy. Almost anyone can write an article. And number 2, it's cheap or free in most cases. You write an article and submit it to one or more article directories. In exchange for the free content you're giving them, the directory allows you to include a resource box at the end of the article. You can include one or more links in that resource box that point back to your website. Blog commenting. Most blogging platforms such as WordPress and Blogger let you enter a URL when you leave a comment on a post. Your name generally gets linked to that URL, so every time you leave a comment, you create a link back to your website. The secret to building links this way is to leave valuable comments, not just useless things like, "Hey, great post." Social bookmarking. Social bookmarking on sites like delicious.com and clipmarks.com let you add bookmarks to your favorite web pages so you can come back to them later. But those bookmarks also create backlinks from the bookmarking site to yours, so this is a good way to generate more backlinks. Free hosting. Free hosting sites like WordPress.com and Squidoo.com let you build pages about virtually any topic. You can build pages on these sites about the same topic as your own website and then include links back to your site within the content. Some of them, like Squidoo for example, will even let you add an RSS feed to your page. If your website is running on a blog platform like WordPress, you can add the feed to your Squidoo page so it gets updated every time you post a new article on your site. And that update will include a new backlink. Social media. Social media sites like Twitter and Facebook are also very effective ways to get backlinks. Whenever you post an update to one of those sites with a link to your website, that update will get picked up by Google and the other search engines, resulting in another backlink to your website.